So what's up everyone? In my second video, I'll be teaching you how to block website without using any application. If you're worried about your children's watching too much anime, you could block the site without using any application or paying some application to block the site. You could do it yourself. Just follow the steps I will be doing. First, we would go just press Windows R, then type drivers, then click enter. After that, click etc. Right click hosts, open with, you should open it with Notepad. Okay, then run, find Notepad in the startup. Right click Notepad, then run as administrator. You should have uh, an administrator permission or access so that you can you can edit the host file. Just copy this, then add 127.0.0.1. You could also use 0.0.0.0 to block it. Then copy the link. Copy the link there, then file, save as, then click save as type to all files. Then you should find the where the driver is located. See, then Windows System32 drivers, etc. Then host file. Click host file, then save. It will ask you to replace it, so you should replace it. Click yes, then that's it. You cannot load this site anymore if you clear the history and the cache. So let's clear the history and let's copy the links RLC. Okay, close that. Then clear browsing data. Okay, so let's try it again. Still works. Why? Let me get that IO. You should. I forgot. We should close the browser. After closing the browser, open it again. Then copy the link. Okay, it's not working. What's happening? Okay. We should copy this too. 127.0.0.1. Okay. File. Save as. All files. Click host. This is the cons of using your host file to block websites, because it will not capture the domain, all the domains of the website. So it will capture only one domain. So this is what enter there, and there you go. It's black. It is black. So you should be patient to add all the domains of the website, like having this HTTP, or so they cannot access it anymore. You should put this to save as, close all files, then host. Yes. Okay, that's it. I hope you learned something today, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.